All right, we are going to make a salted caramel cold brew. One of my favorites if I have to have the competitor, but no more competitor because I'm doing it with the Early Bird Hazelnut Espresso Martini morning cocktail. Coffee at home now, easy peasy. So let's do, got a cute little cup full of ice. Do 1 scoop of Early Bird Hazelnut Espresso Martini, heaping scoop. Messy. Add that to my shaker. Fill my shaker with cold water. See, no more coffee mess, no cold brew mess, no crazy fancy expensive machines. Give this a good shake. Okay. Oh yeah. Pour this over ice. Ooh, look at that. Look at that foamy, yummy coffee. I could just drink that. But then I've got some caramel creamer, 0 sugar. Keep this a 0 sugar drink. How about that? Fill this in a little baby cup. Not too much. Add some salt. You don't have to add salt. You can also do whatever creamer or topping you want. Add your flavored syrups, whatever. Froth it. Oh yeah. Oh, nice and foamy. Top your cold brew. Woo. Look at that. That is a nice, beautiful cold brew. Let's try this. So good, delicious. There you have it, your at-home salted caramel cold brew. Take that.